I wish the prefects were here. I've hurt my head.
Prefects! Prefects!
I fell and hit my head and I can't get up.
Oh. Okay, do you need our help with anything else?
Just the pancakes. They're a mess. Can you fix them, please?
Okay, how many pancakes do you need?
Thousands.
Thousands. Can we do that? Yeah! So guys, now we're here, and as you all know, all the pancakes have been destroyed. We need to come together and make those pancakes to make Nightingale Breakfast the best event yet.
Let's do it! Let's go! Oh my god, the cake! You're sitting on the cake! Don't kill me! Sorry. Yeah, take another one. No running in my house!
Okay guys, so a little less of that. Okay, so to make hot chocolate, you basically just coffee saffron. Am I doing this right? Yes. Yes. Put some marshmallows in. A little bit of hot water.
How much of this? How much of this?
Half a spoon. Okay.
4 spoons. 4 spoons.
Egg. Over there. Pomegranate. Dash of love. Box. Sugar flour. Egg. House spirit. Whisk.
Guys, were we supposed to put flour in that?
Dania, didn't you put the whisk in the bowl?
Oh, shit to the left, shit to the right. Come on, Nightingale, fight, fight, fight!
Guys, so what do we do now?
Guys, why don't we just use Aunt Jemima's complete original just add water for a happy family breakfast pancake mix?
Guys, will this work?
Oh.